Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi lifestyle and biography. Prince's full name is Mohammad bin Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, and his profession is Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces. His net worth is 15 billion US dollar. Date of birth 11 March 1961. Birthplace all in United Arab Emirates. His nationality is Emirain. Religion Islam. Prince's education qualification is graduation from Royal Military Academy, United Kingdom. His first hobby is falconry. And second hobby is hunting. His official residency is Royal Palace in Abu Dhabi. The palace inside interior made of granite and limestones. His wife name is Sheikha Salma bint Hamdan Al Nahyan, and his father name is Zayed bint Sultan Al Nahyan, and his mother name is Fatima bint Mubarak Al Nahyan. He owned inside fully customized luxurious Boeing 747. The price of this aircraft is 240 million US dollar. His first car is Nissan Armada 4X4. And his second car is Rolls-Royce Bright Black Beige. The price of this car is 380,000 US dollar. And his third car is Range Rover Limousine. And this car price is 250,000 US dollar. And his last car is Rolls-Royce Phantom. Price of this car is 0.6 million US dollar.